Oh, just got slammed already. I just got slammed already. Yeah, he's right. He's on it. He's on it. Get it. Come on. Come on. He can't see it. Dude, he's right there. Did you see him? Oh my gosh. Oh, he ate it that time. Oh, he ate it that time. There we go. A little rainbow on the dry fly. Oh, just missed him. It's a brown. Oh, that feels so good. It's a big brown. Oh my gosh. From missing that big one at Mohican. Oh, what is that? That wasn't a brown trout, right? That wasn't a brown trout, right? Yeah. To catching this one right now feels so good. Oh my gosh. On the that white rooster tail. There we go, guys. Redeemed myself from Mohican. Beautiful brown trout on the rooster tail. Whew. There we go. It's another brown. Awesome. Sweet. A little fly. Tiny little thing. Beautiful brown. I'm gonna get a quick picture and release this guy. Beautiful one, guys. Well, there's probably a fish on there. There we go. He's in this other line. It's a big rainbow. Sweet. There we go, guys. Pretty big rainbow right there. Alright guys, there we go. Nice little rainbow on the fly. Jeez.